Your friends are just like you, busy, busy, busy. Sometimes too busy to take good care of themselves. So give them the gift of gentle de-stressing with ArtNaturals Bath Bombs Holiday Gift Set. With Fizzy baking soda, kaolin clay, Dead Sea and Epsom salts, shea butter and sunflower oil, the 6-pack is like 6 spa treatments in a package. Our set of 6 bath bombs was created to target specific needs and ailments. The relaxing, rejuvenating, antioxidant-rich fizzers help to rid your body of toxins and harmful chemicals by deeply cleansing skin and hair. Joint and muscle pain dissolve as rich Epsom and Dead Sea salt soaks reduce the effects of inflammation and stiffness. Deeply soothing scents of cinnamon and vanilla are an all-natural way to reduce stress and anxiety. Nourishing shea and cocoa butters treat dry skin and help heal eczema and psoriasis. Each bath bomb is like an in-home spa treatment. Natural clays in ArtNaturals bath bombs are packed with the same nutrient-rich minerals found in mud masks and wraps. Choose from stimulating Energize, meditative Zen, cleansing wellness, healing strength, detoxing yoga or relaxing cozy night. Select a bath bomb and place your fizzer into a warm tub that's approximately 1/2 full. The bath bomb will dissolve, releasing gentle bubbles of all-natural citric acid and deep moisturizers of virgin shea butter, cocoa butter, sunflower seed oil and vitamin E, alongside the detoxing mineral salts. And by the way, ArtNaturals bath bombs are a fun way to bring some fizzle to kids' bath time, getting them excited about bathing while adding healing hydration and antioxidants to their skin. Set includes 6 bath bombs: Energize, Zen, Wellness, Strength, Yoga and Cozy Night. Natural clay combines with mineral salts, shea and cocoa butters, sunflower seed oil and baking soda to fizz aches and dry skin away. Formulas are full of antioxidants to cleanse and detox, heal and nourish. Relaxing bath aromatherapy that's fun and easy to use. All ingredients meet ArtNaturals 100% natural standards. Paraben free and cruelty free. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product, please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.